So the question is how do you choose an implant center? There are a lot of corporate implant centers now that are out there. Aspen Dental is probably one of the largest, or I believe Clear Choice and Aspen are the same thing. They're owned by the same company, which is great. They provide a all-on-4. That's kind of the only thing that they do. They'll do all-on-4 for every single patient. For me, in my practice, we like to custom tailor the case per the patient. We don't just have a one-fits-all kind of cookie-cutter treatment for every single patient. It's critically important that we custom tailor and do what's most appropriate for each patient individually, because every case is different. And so for me, I feel very passionate about the fact that we customize each treatment plan and provide the most number of implants possible, and we use zirconia prosthetics on every single case, so we don't end up with the type of complications that some of these large corporate all-on-4 implant centers have, because they're doing the same thing on every single patient. And in reality, that's not the best way to go. The best way to go is to look at the patient individually and write a treatment plan that's going to be the best for them for long-term success. And that's what we do here at Trust Implants.